हाँ जी सर, गुड इवनिंग सर। मैसेज डालो 5 बजे ज्वाइन करने के लिए।
Do you have any idea about the template of pitch deck? Any one of you, or have you covered in any of these sessions?
नो सर।
Anyone from you, you can unmute and please tell me, have you done this pitch deck format? Gargi, are you there? Dr. Priya, I got your message. Gargi, are you there? Sanjana? Rupal? See, bete, now what we have to do, this session is not only important. Vidisha, you can unmute yourself. Are you able to unmute yourself from your side? Let's have a discussion over here. Otherwise, this session would be difficult to understand. So now what you will have to make it clear that there are three things by virtue of which you are supposed to describe your business ideas in front of any committee or any team. And those three things are: number one is business idea, number two is the project report or project reports, and number three is the pitch deck. I hope these three terms are clear to you. Means you are able to understand basically what is the difference among these three terms. Number one is the business plan, number two is project report or project reports, and number three is pitch deck. Right? So anyone from you can you describe what is the difference between these three, or if you have heard about these terms, or you have any knowledge about project report, business plan, or pitch deck?
So, like from what I know, so the business plan is like how I'm going to go forward with it. Project reports are more like if my business is up and running, or if I'm going to start it. So, like there's a formula that we take, and it shows our projections. And pitch deck is a presentation basically.
Okay, Tishta, you are a student of IGD2W?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. But I got your point. Anyone else? But anyone else? The major difference between business plan, project report, and pitch deck. See, Tishta explained that this pitch deck is the presentation. This is fine. But what she told us about business plan and project report, it is not 100% correct. But this is 100% sure that pitch deck is about the presentation. Actually, pitch deck is not about the presentation. Pitching is the presentation. I hope you are understanding me. Pitching the deck. Deck is something else. When we are about to pitch that particular deck, it is known as what? Pitch deck. The deck which is made for pitching purpose. Pitching means presentation, right? So that is fine from her part. Now there are two more terms. Number one is the business plan. Number two is project report or project reports. So what is the major difference between these two? Are these also presentation or not? Or can this also be shown as a part of presentation or not?
So they can be shown as a part of the presentation.
Right, they can be shown as a part of presentation. Okay, but mostly the crowd is different. The people in front of whom you are going to present your business plan or you are going to present your project report, that crowd could be different, right? But now apart from you, Tishta, anyone else can explain what is the major difference between project reports and business plan?
So we can say that when we talk about the business plan, it is like very larger as compared to a project report, and it even covers a lot of broader aspects of it, and it has to be very detailed. As compared to a project report, we can say that it is on a comparatively smaller scale, and
Who
in
is
the
this?
same
Who is
manner.
this? What's your name?
So Shreya,
Yeah, okay. Shreya, you are a student of IGTW?
yes sir, I am.
Okay, okay.
Yes sir.
So,
So
Shreya, you are right. You are right on that particular part.
yes sir.
That business plan, you can say that business plan is a superset of project reports, right?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now, the thing is this, that if I ask you, Shreya, that how many startups in India they document business plan, they make this business plan. How many? In a general idea, how
So
many startups in India they go for business plan in the early stage?
okay, so I'd say like around 10 to 15% maybe start with, like, everybody should start with a business plan, but actually getting into this, I think a population of 10 to 15% only does. And when I talk about startups, I'm considering all the student startups and other startups as well, whether the students or startups. So this is like
Okay.
just an idea.
Okay, Shreya, I got your point. Anyone else?
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Priya, do you want to comment on this? Anyone else?
So it depends on the kind of startup it is. Like if there's an edtech startup, so they definitely need that. Like if they're
If it is
going on a,
EdTech means education tech, na? EduTech.
yes, sir. So
Okay,
if they're
then.
going on a larger scale, so they'll definitely be needing it. But a startup like our family script, so maybe we won't be needing it that much.
So you are linked with the family script.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. बेटे देखो Ticha, you are right, and Chia, you are also very much right that very less population they go for proper means making of business plan. This is 100% correct. But 10 and 15% is also a huge number. Not even 1%. Not even 1% startups in India they are going for business plan. In India, the concept is this, that project reports are known as business plan, which is wrong. What we say that project reports are generally known in the common language. These project reports are known as business plan. See, the major difference is this, that both are documented, both are in the form of reports. This should be clear to you. Pitch deck is not in the form of proper report or report format report, but project report and business plan both are in the format of a particular report, which it is a exhaustive report. Now the point is this, that when we go for a project reports are made for a specific purpose. See, if you want to acquire industrial land in any authority or any government or maybe state government or any commercial shop you want to apply for, or you want to go for any other business land or business proposal, or maybe you want to apply for a loan, that is known as what the loan report. Maybe you want to take a electricity connection of more than 25 kilowatt, or maybe you want to apply for water connection of your higher utility. So for all these purposes, we go and we prepare project reports. These all the project reports are having different format. Generally, 80% things are same, but 20% things are different. Maybe if you want to go for a for fire department and if to get the fire certificate and for the prevention of fire certificate, for that purpose also you will be requiring a project report. You want to go for to take some environmental benefits, and two you will have to submit a project report. So these all are the project reports. In India, generally we make project report for the loaning purpose. If you want to apply for some loan in any bank, maybe Mudra loan, maybe Stand Up India loan, or maybe any loan, COVID loan, or whatever loan is there, MSME loan, we submit a project report, and that project report is having some format, some specific format. Mostly it is given by the banks in different schemes. If not, you can go and you can prepare it. as Tisha rightly said, that it is not very detailed, whereas business plan is a detailed document, right? So project report aap dekho, you give your interview to the relevant committee. If you will be selected, you will get your loan pass. If you will be selected, you will get your certification over there. I hope this is clear to you. When we go for the business plan contains all those things which are required to run a business, even if promoter is not there. That means business plan carries everything. Starting from business idea, how business idea was developed, who will be the suppliers, how will you fetch your suppliers, what are the quotations, what is the process of importing machines, how will you install it, the way of installing it, whatever will be there in operation management, operation strategies, whatever will be there in HR, who people will be appointed, what will be the format of appointment letter. Means you cannot believe what is not covered over there. Business plan is that kind of document. I am repeating with my words. A good business plan is that business plan where even promoters are not there, then to any one person, you or me or anyone, can run the business. I am not saying that business will be successful, can run a business. Means एक promoter का दिमाग निकाल करके I have kept it in a form of business plan. I hope it is clear to you that is why it is known as what the blueprint of your business idea, right? And in India we are not making it. ठीक है, हम business plan कभी नहीं बनाते. We make business plan only when it is a requirement of your investor, that too after investment, after getting investment. Then too we go and we prepare business plan. और वो भी हम खुद नहीं बनाते हैं. We outsource it to any risk management company. In India, there are a number of risk management companies. They prepare it. They will take data from you. They will sit with you for 5, 7, 8, 10 days, and they will prepare it for you. They will also take all the documents which are required. Right now, my question is this: if you understand this, you are understanding this, so why people are not making business plan in India? Yeah, they are making it at the time when they are getting investment, और वो जो investment से जो पैसा मिला है, out of that only they are spending it and they are purchasing. Okay, now my question is this: that why in India generally people are not making business plans? What are the reasons? What could be the reasons? I am waiting for your response.
It might be like they're not aware about it. Also, that this trend is not as strong as it's in other countries.
But this point that they are not aware about it, this could be one of the reasons, but not always, because there are two type of promoters. One who is really trying to get something, another one is this who are just doing a time pass. So if someone really want to do something, they are attending so many conferences, they are attending so many investors meet, they are attending demo day, they are attending pitch day, so they understand the requirement of the business plan. But you are saying that they are not aware about it. That is okay, accepted. मैं मान लेता हूँ कि college girls में या फिर college boys में they are not aware about making a business plan. Could be one of the reasons. Second, और कुछ इसके अलावा apart from this awareness? Shia, your output in this?
So my first point was that only, like, that first is that they are not aware about it. And so second, we can also say that in India, when the people start, they think of going first trying at a small area and or trying with a very small population. So we can say that in case they feel that, that business, like right now, they cannot call whatever they're trying to do as a business, therefore they do not require a business plan. That could be one of the reasons.
Means what you are trying to say? What's your name? It is Shia, na?
Yes, Shreya.
So Shia, what I understand from your view, that with a small business, they are having limited budget. I hope you are understanding my point.
Yes,
and with limited sources also, they are not able to go for, or maybe they don't want to go for a business plan because it takes a good amount expenditure.
Yes, so they have a limited target audience as well.
Limited target audience also. Okay, this is okay. This is fine. Anything else?
So I'll have to think about it.
Okay, Diksha Rai is saying that fear of taking risk. So fear of taking risk इसमें अभी नहीं आएगा. Diksha, देखो, if you are going to launch your business idea, there it could be a fear. My question is this, that you have a business idea, you are also going to launch it, but you are avoiding to make a business plan. What could be the reason? मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था. Anyway, यहाँ पे मेरी दो चीजें जो बहुत important है. Rupal, do you want to say anything?
Yes, sir. Adding to what Shreya said, like business plan is a larger phenomena. Like it would include a lot of small projects. So maybe the startups in India, they would not consider a larger market. Like they would not consider what would be the market for their product, like for the coming 2-3 years. So they are having a short-term plan. That's why they are considering to make a project report rather than a business plan, which would be considering the plan, the business plan or the market strategy for the coming years as well.
ठीक है रूपल, this point is also well taken. बिल्कुल ठीक है बोला.
I also have one more point to add. Hello.
Yeah.
So, sir, what I think is like, because the business has just started, they are actually looking forward to, try and explore in all the directions possible. They do not want to restrict themselves. They want to try out the new ventures, see what works for them, try out with the try and hit method, try a brute force approach, and then see what works for them and what doesn't work for them. They don't want to restrict. They want to go out and be as much creative as they can be. Therefore, they do not stick to a plan or do not make a business plan.
ठीक है. Shreya, ना? I hope Shreya, ना?
Yes, sir, Shreya.
Shreya, देखो मुझे, I have got your point. See, all of whatever you are saying, everything is right. What Rupal said, what Disha said, what you are saying, everything is 100% right. Yeah. But there is one more point which I want to emphasize over here. And my reason of emphasizing is linked with 2 points. Number one is this, that you have an opportunity to start this kind of startups. You have an opportunity.
Right.
And number no, what I will tell you that will come later. Okay. And number 2 is this, unless you don't know how to make a good business plan, you will never be part number A, you will never be able to demonstrate or to detail or to present your business pitch deck in a best way. Okay, unless you don't know everything about business plan, it will be difficult for you to present or to give 100% while pitching your business pitch deck. I hope this is clear to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And number two is this, that if you can have a very good understanding of making a business plan, then you have an opportunity to start that kind of a startup where you make different business plans for startups. क्योंकि अभी इंडिया में ऐसे स्टार्टअप्स बहुत कम हैं जो कि बिजनेस प्लान बनाकर भी किसी को दे रहे हैं. Only this work has been taken up only by some risk management companies like Deloitte, Protiviti, and anyone there in Gurgaon also, and they are charging from 5 lakhs of rupees in preparation or in making of a business plan. क्यों? क्योंकि इन्वेस्टर से पैसा मिल चुका है, इन्वेस्टर ने 50 करोड़ रुपीस एक्सपेंड कर दिए हैं. अब वो जो उसने स्पेंड कर दिया या इन्वेस्ट कर दिया वो तो कर दिया है. Now 50 crore rupees आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट मिल गया है, and if I am asking you to give me only 20 lakhs of rupees or 50 lakhs of rupees to make or to detail your complete business plan, तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. क्यों? because this requirement has come from the similar or the same investor. Investor is asking you कि मुझे ये चाहिए, right? तो I hope you are understanding it. Now मैं आपको एक और चीज बताना चाहता हूँ कि इंडिया में बहुत से लोग बिजनेस प्लान नहीं बनाते हैं. उसके पीछे रीजन क्या है कि हमें बिजनेस प्लान बनाना आता नहीं है. हमें बिजनेस प्लान बनाना नहीं आता, हमें प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट बनानी आती है, हमें बिजनेस प्लान बनाना नहीं आता. तो अभी आपके साथ में बैठता हूँ और इफ यू फील लाइक दिस कि हाउ टू मेक अ बिजनेस प्लान, तो हम बिजनेस प्लान बनाते समय दिखेंगे. Although number of softwares are available and you can take help from those softwares also, you can make different type of graphs, as Tishta was also saying that projections are there, so many things are there, everything is there, all kind of mathematical tools are there. You will have to showcase your business at how and where will it reach after 5 years. After 5 years means after mission period. I have explained you in my first session that mission period is how much? For 5 years. And that is why it is said that in 5 years, if you are not able to establish your startup, you will never be able to establish it in 10 years or 20 years. So 5 years ka time kya hai? Mission period kya hai? So this, if this concept is clear to you, so before we go for understanding the complete templates, all templates of the pitch deck, what you need to understand is this, that business plan, how to make a business plan, that is also very important. A business plan is not project report. तो business plan क्या है? That also I have explained it to you. That अगर promoter नहीं भी है, then too, if you got that particular business plan by any chance, then you can also start doing the similar kind of business, and you will also achieve to the same point where the original start promoter, that person will reach. So that kind of strength is there if a good business plan is made. I hope this is clear to you. Anyone is not understanding the difference between the project report and business plan, you can ask me. But any doubt?
No, sir.
Anyone else? हाँ देखो, ये साची अरोड़ा कह रही है कि from the security concern, so this is 100% right. This is 100% right. That promoter, they are not actually trying to make a business plan because they think that if it goes to someone else hand, तो ये गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, वो दिक्कत देती नहीं है. Even they have a business plan, then too, in their first interaction or second interaction with any kind of investor, maybe Series A, Series B, any kind of investors, they are not going to disclose it. Or if they disclose it, there is one agreement which is signed, and that particular agreement is known as non-disclosure. तो sign होता ही होता है, non-disclosure agreement, NDA. There is also one more agreement which is signed, that is what a non-complete agreement, NCA. What is this? That if you invest in my company, then too, for coming 10 years or for 20 years, you will not come to this particular business idea where I am already working with you. अगर हम लोग segregate हो जाते हैं, you go to your way, I go to my way, then too, after within this 20 years time or 15 years time, you will not start your business in this particular industry or segment, right? तो ये दो तरीके के डॉक्यूमेंट साइन करते हैं. क्या सिक्योरिटी रीजन इज अ रीजन. अच्छा, डॉक्टर प्रिया कह रही है they do not look at scaling up as a critical path of growth. They do not look at scaling up as a critical path of growth. मैं थोड़ा सा समझा नहीं डॉक्टर प्रिया, if you can explain it to me. They do not look at scaling up.
So normally जो businesses शुरू करते हैं, जहाँ तक मेरी समझ है, they are like one of my batchmates mentioned, वो लोग small scale पे देखते हैं, और अगर वहाँ successful हुआ तो slowly थोड़ा बढ़ाते हैं, but they don't realize that it can actually become a corporate. They are not looking at it from corporatizing it at a later date, and bringing in apart from the investors and whatever they have, they are not looking at really scaling up their business. जहाँ पे है बस उतने में वो लोग खुश रहते हैं कि okay, so long as we can do couple of territories, or maybe they don't really look at expanding it in a true corporate sense. I mean, that was what I was trying to say. Maybe I'm wrong.
ठीक है, नहीं ठीक है प्रिया, बिल्कुल ठीक है. Actually, now the next question comes at why they are having this kind of misthinking. That they will make a business plan or they will go to the highest scale only when the first group of customers are satisfied or your lighthouse customers are satisfied. Why they are having this kind of thinking? Again, because they are having limited resources. They are having limited resources. अगर वो पास proper resources हो और if they are confident about their project, then definitely they can go for making of a business plan. है ना? तो ऐसा मैंने कई बार देखा है कि if you are 100% sure about your business idea, then you don't hesitate in investing also of your own money, which is known as what? FFF, that friends, families, and fools. That money. So that way also, you are 100% right. That could be one of the reasons that initially you want to check in your marketplace that your business idea is fit for this or not. If you think that it is fit for it, then only you want to go for such kind of activity, or you want to invest your fund, your money in making a business plan, right? तो ठीक है, ये बिल्कुल ठीक है. Any other thing which is there in your mind or you want to discuss it over here? देखो ये बहुत छोटी, these are the very minute things which you should know. What is the difference between this and how you will have to put your proposal. And now if you ask me, sir, what are the contents of business plan? So those business plans, if you ask me, I can show you. There are only 3 slides. There are only 3 slides which I have made in such a way that everything, after seeing business plans of more than 20 good companies, I have just taken only those points which are there, and I have shown it only in 3 slides. And those 3 slides takes a time of 5 days workshop. in which we detail everything, that what do you mean by that, this first point, this second point, this third point, but practically saying nobody bothers about it. क्योंकि इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. Why this is not required? But this we will be requiring only if when you will get an investor. और जब investor मिल जाते हैं तो you will have to make your business plan only once or maybe twice. तो वो आप बाहर से बनवा लेते हैं क्योंकि आपको उसमें पैसे मिल जाते हैं. But then too, if you want, then I can at least show you that what are the basic contents of business plan. Then too, if you are having some burning fire in you and you want to know so what kind of different contents which may come in business plan, or maybe in agnostic type of business plan, or maybe a business plan is some different or some specific industry, तो वो सारी की सारी चीजें आपको नेट में मिल जाएगी. Don't put the word project report, just put the word business plan. A good business plan contents in ready-made garment industry, right? And you will get the contents. If you don't put any particular segment or sector or industry, then too you will get good content. My point is only this, that if you really want to make your presentation in a good way, it is always good to have a proper understanding of business plan. If you are having a good and proper planning, proper understanding of your business plan, then whoever the investor is, whoever the evaluation committee is, whoever are there in selection committee, you will be the best. Okay, you already have answers of all those questions because you are made in such a way. ठीक है ना? इसके बाद I am going to explain you some different slides which are generally there in the template of business deck. Any questions till now?
Sir, I had a point that I wanted to run by you. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, yes, sir. So the point was that, like, can we also say that project report, like a difference between project report and business plan can also be this, that a project report is something that we have already done, okay, and then it shows us the report that how we have tested our, like on a small scale only, how we have tested our business and what has been the research or what has been the response from the audience. Whereas the business plan is how do we plan to move ahead in the future.
No, Shreya, no.
Okay.
No, Shreya, देखो project reports can also be projected.
Okay.
देखो अगर आप ज्यादा समझते हो Shreya, तो understand like this, that I have a 200-page business plan. This is my 200-page business plan, right?
Yes, sir.
Now for that, from that particular 200 pages business plan, I want to make a loan report. Loan report means project report for loaning purpose.
Okay.
I have taken only 30 pages from that particular 200-page report. And
Okay.
that 30 page is prepared as a project report for loaning purpose. If I want to take some permission for fire from fire department, I will take 20 pages from that particular report and I will make it and I will submit it. लेकिन श्रेया होता क्या है? If in general, if you want to apply for any kind of loan, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
go to the bank, you take the form of Mudra form or Stand Up India form or any kind of form. You go and you contact to your CA or any CA you are going to hire. That CA will charge you say 10,000 rupees or 15,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees depending upon the cost of the project.
Yes,
And
sir.
they will make a very good project report for you. Not only this, if they will charge 5,000, 10,000 rupees more, they will sit with you and they will conduct some virtual kind of this dummy type of interviews also with you. That these are the questions your banker is going to ask from you. What is BP point? How much is BP point? This much high break-even point? No, it is not feasible. How will you justify this? If they are satisfied with so many questions, what are the financial ratios you are using? Why this particular financial ratio? From where you will arrange your fund? If they are satisfied, only they are going to give you a sanctioned loan for you. So now the question is this, that they are not only preparing project reports for you, they are also getting you prepared, right? ठीक है ना ये चीज ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट, अब फायर डिपार्टमेंट की आपको प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट चाहिए, फायर डिपार्टमेंट के बाहर ही लोग बैठे होते हैं, वो आपको प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट वो उनका बंधा हुआ होता है और अंदर इंडिया में लोगों को पता होता है प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट किसने बनाई है. Ready-made project report they will give you, and you will not believe that they are charging 1,000 rupees, 500 rupees. They are also charging only 200 rupees. You want a project report? What is the name of your company? Okay, what it is doing? What is the turnover? How much this fire cylinders you are using? A type, B type, or C type, or both? Okay. Project report is prepared. This everything is common. Only something they have mentioned, and they will give you printout. ये लीजिए fire department जाके जमा कर दीजिए. right? You want electricity connection, how much volt, how much kilowatt? 30 kilowatt, 3-phase or single phase? 3-phase, okay. Now this is the project report ready for you. Right? So these people are sitting outside generally, I should not say in this kind of forum, but this is happening, but not in loan department, not for loaning purpose. If you want to make a good project report for loaning purpose, you will have to work hard. You will have to understand the terms which you are going to write, or your CA is going to write on your behalf.
Okay, sir.
Right? Now, अब यहाँ पर क्या आपने कही था? Then you are also going to apply for industrial land or industrial this. If you want to go for some industrial land or commercial land, you want to apply in Gurgaon Authority, that is Buddha, or you want to apply in Noida Authority, then two project report is required. So that also CAs are making on your behalf. 5,000 रुपए लेंगे, 10,000 रुपए. General में आपको rate बता देता हूँ. If you want to start your particular some startup, you want to go for a loan, so general rate is from 10,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees. That's all. For your startups, the rate is only 10,000 rupees. If you want to make some institute or some tech company, then that may be extended to 20,000 rupees. A CA is charging, and they will give you a very good project report. And that is why I never emphasize you people to go and learn how to make project reports. I have seen number of mentors, they waste so much time in teaching you that how to prepare project report, or they teach you how to make business plan. No, मैं आपको कभी नहीं बोलता हूँ, you need not to go for this. मैं आपको कभी नहीं बोलूंगा कि you go and learn how to make business plan unless you are not going to start this particular business. So why I am saying so? Why do I say that go and outsource it?
So why?
आप बताओ ना बेटे.
हाँ, so why should we waste our precious time when you could be working on something else? And
Right. You got the exact point.
Yes, sir.
Because this project report, many times I have seen the startups, they are so much indulged into making their business idea or business plan or project reports that they are putting them. They understand that learning this it will help in their business. No, not at all. All those things which you are supposed to do only once or twice or thrice in your life, unless you are not a serial entrepreneur, you should outsource it. Maybe they are charging 10,000, 20,000 or 50,000 rupees extra. Because you are having limited time with you. Time is money for startup. This you will have to understand. So that is why. But then too, why do I say that you should understand all the points of business plan? Why I am emphasizing that you should understand all the lines, all the heads of business plan. Why I am saying this?
So because in the end, this is our business only.
नहीं, वो अलग बात है. इसलिए क्योंकि आपको कोई बेवकूफ ना बनाए.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
I am not asking you to become a master of this. I am saying you to become a jack of everything.
Yes.
In business plan, you should be jack of everything. ये नहीं कि सीए ने बोल दिया कि यार ये केवाईसी नहीं भरेंगे, 5,000 रुपए लगेगा, हम करके हमारे फाइल कर रहे हैं. जैसे मैंने देखा है स्टार्टअप्स को. Please understand what is this KYC, why government is needing these or your documents, which are the documents which are required. आ जाते हैं कि अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर दे दोगे अगर एम्प्लॉय को, तो कल को केस कर देगा और डर जाते हैं अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर देने के लिए देना है. तो दैट इज व्हाई, है ना, कि always say if you are having a mentor with you, that is 100% fine, but getting a right mentor, that is also very difficult in this time. You will go to your mentor will firstly ask you that how much share you are going to give him or her, or he may be asking that what will be his interest, what the fee you are going to pay. And maybe he's not saying in your friend, but maybe after 2 months or maybe after 1 year, or maybe you will feel that after 1 year he is losing or she is losing his interest in your company or your startup. To avoid all those things, what is required that you should also know something about it. So that is why I always do attend. If you get a very good workshop, where we are talking about all the aspects or all the heads of business plan, तो वो आप जरूर करो. Now coming to this template, where I am going to explain only those points which are required for you, and definitely these points have been taken from the business plan. Definitely, all the pitch deck format, maybe anyone is suggesting you, these all are a part of business plan. If you are having a business plan, it is good. If you are not having business plan, this deck should be based upon your business plan. Maybe virtual business plan, but business-based business plan is your mind. I accept it. But whenever you are going to show it in the form of presentation, जिसको हम लोग pitch deck बोलते हैं, so at that time you should understand what are the different terms. Because some of you are the students of BBA or MBA, some of you are faculty members of BBA, MBA, management studies. Some of you are definitely planning to start your business. मैनेजमेंट के जो टर्म्स मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, बेटा आप लोगों से कई लोग बीबीए एमबीए के स्टूडेंट होंगे. आई एम नॉट अवेयर अबाउट इट. सम बीबीए स्टूडेंट्स विल बी जॉइनिंग योर प्रोग्राम आल्सो. सी अंडरस्टैंडिंग दीज ऑल द टर्म्स आर नॉट डोंट टेक इट फ्रॉम द स्टडी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सर पढ़ा रहे हैं, सर पढ़ा नहीं रहे हैं. इन्फ्लुएंस मार्केटिंग क्या होती है, सर पढ़ा नहीं रहे हैं. सेल्स फनल क्या होता है, सर पढ़ा नहीं रहे हैं. ये क्या है, ये कॉमन टर्म्स है, ये जनरल अवेयरनेस है. These all the terms, these are done, and then after these are linked with your startup career. So these are basic terms. A share market, what is NSE, what is BSE? This is general awareness. And whenever I say that in entrepreneurship, you know, general awareness is a point which you should emphasize. You should understand what is this general awareness. It is linked with only this. कई लोग नाम भूल जाते हैं, जैसे मैं भूल जाता हूँ. कई बार आप मुझसे अचानक से पूछ लोगे, सर याहू कंपनी का ओनर कौन है, मैं भूल जाता हूँ. मुझे नाम नहीं याद आते जल्दी. But at the same time, only those terms which are required in your business day-to-day life that you should understand, so that you can talk to anyone, right? So now why I am saying all these things, जो जितने भी terms यहाँ पर आने वाले हैं pitch deck template में, that you will have to understand, and I am trying to explain you in such a way कि आपको ये सब चीज याद ना करनी पड़े, and you will feel it from your heart. So I am going to start. See, please note that the drafted template form or format of this deck is for early investment. This deck format I am going to explain. This is only for early investment. Early investment means you are looking for angel investors or for early investors or maybe Series A investment. For that, this pitch deck is fine. But if you are looking for some Series B or some serious kind of investment, then this format will not work. वहाँ उसका format अलग होता है. राइट, जैसे कि बायजू का आपको आज की डेट में जो फॉर्मेट मिलेगा वो अलग मिलेगा. बट फॉर योर स्टार्टअप दिस इज, आई होप दैट दिस इज द बेस्ट वन टेम्पलेट. आई एम शेयरिंग इट विथ यू. ठीक है ना. तो नाउ दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. एंड द सेकंड इज दिस, दैट डिपेंडिंग अपॉन प्रोडक्ट एंड प्रोसेसेस एंड सर्विसेज, सेक्टर, इंडस्ट्री और राउंड ऑफ फंडिंग, इट मे डिफर. मींस द template of these business plan, it may differ depending upon what, number one, what are the products you are having, what are the processes you are going to use, what are the services, sectors and industry. I hope you understand. इंडिया में एजुकेशन को इंडस्ट्री नहीं लेते, ऑल्सो हम बोलते हैं इंडिया में एजुकेशन को हम सेक्टर लेते हैं. बट एजुटेक में, यू नो, वी जनरली we give this the health tech or health information system or maybe education or edutech. These all are the industries. उतना ज्यादा सही नहीं है, बट हम सेक्टर में लेते हैं. लेकिन आजकल these days we are taking. I hope you understand the difference between the industry, sector, firm. I hope you understand. If not, please let me explain it to you. आप लोगों को पता है ये चीजें. Second is what? Second is what? The round of funding. And Series A, first round of funding, a second round of funding, and depending upon that too, this template may change. So now this is the first template, first page of your proposed template. I'm just asking you that this is your proposed template. Now, depending upon you, depending upon business to business, you can have a different kind of template also. So, any questions? Or before that, I also want to tell you very important thing about your assignment number 5. Do you have any question till now?
No, sir.
Now point is this, that in your assignment number 5, I will be asking you to prepare a pitch deck of any business idea which is there in your mind. Right? In assignment number 5, what I'm asking you, that you will have to prepare a pitch deck of any business idea which is there in your mind. Go and generate your business idea and make a good pitch deck about it. So those people who are not participating in this, or maybe they are logged in and then after they are doing their own job means own work they are doing. For that, I again want to repeat, what is pitch deck? Pitch deck is the presentation of your business idea in the form of 10 to 20 slides. I'm again repeating, pitch deck is the presentation of your business idea in 10 to 20 slides. Okay, so if you are understanding it, please let me take few people's name that they are there with me or not. Tanvi, are you there? Tanvi? Tanvi is not there?
No, sir. Tanvi is not there.
Okay, okay. Diksha? Diksha is here, I hope. Diksha has also messaged me. Okay. Shia, are you there? Shia is there.
Diksha, are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm there.
Okay, Diksha is there. Akansha?
She is also
Okay, Akansha is there. Then Sanjana is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Riya is also there.
Riya is there, sir.
Yeah, okay. Riya is here. But I'm not asking your attendance. I'm not checking it. I'm not any proctor. But my point is only this, that what I have said, that in assignment number 5, what you will have to do. Akansha, can you explain me what you will have to do?
Sir, we have to prepare a pitch deck. That is a presentation of our business idea in
So,
form of 10 to
do-
20 slides.
Yeah. Do you have any business idea right now?
No, sir, not as such.
Okay. Then two. Can you do this exercise or not?
No, sir. I was not sure I'd be putting up.
कोई भी business idea ले लो, any business idea. Do you face any problem in the society? Any problem you are facing, or your friends are facing, your mom is facing, father is facing, any problem in the society?
I never
You know,
thought
but
of
you
it.
know, but have you done this? That how to generate a business idea?
No, sir.
Any problem, if you can share it with me, or if you cannot, you don't want to share it with me, need not to divulge it. The only thing is this, that problem you will have to check, that is this a business opportunity or not. If it is a business opportunity, first is what? Problem. Number 2 is what? Opportunity. If you think that this is an opportunity, then third term is what? Capability. Do you think that you are having capability to take the benefit of this opportunity or not? That is competence. Right? I'm just asking you, then the fourth point will come. I'm just asking you, any problem you are facing or your friends are facing?
Sir, right now we submitted a project on screen paper, if you remember.
Right. On screen, but then it was you now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your project was also good. So that business, that problem is there in the market.
So we realized that for every other official work, we used to have some paperwork. Why not replace it with digital forms or documents?
Okay, this is a good business idea. You can go and you can make a pitch deck for it. But if you will ask me, sir, how much feasible it is, that could be a question mark. कि हमारे इंडिया में कितने लोग उसको use करेंगे?
Yeah, we
But
cannot replace 100%.
Right. But this is a good business idea.
Okay, sir. So we are focusing on implementing it.
Yeah, so that is a good business idea. You can go and you can make it. But anyone else, if anyone I want to ask that who is not having a business idea, मुझे बस नाम बता दो यहाँ पे that sir, I am not having a business idea. I will simply ask that do you face any problem or your mom is facing any problem? कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, अरे मेड की प्रॉब्लम होगी, घर में लाइट खराब है उसकी प्रॉब्लम होगी, आप घर से बाहर निकलते हो आपको टैक्सी नहीं मिलती उसकी प्रॉब्लम है, आपको अच्छा ट्यूटर नहीं मिलता उसकी प्रॉब्लम है, you are having a good skill which you want to sell into the market, maybe you are a good tutor, maybe anything, maybe you are skilled in anything, but you are not able to do it, anything, any problem. So that problem is basically a opportunity. You only have to check that you are having capability to give a good solution to the market or not. फैमिली स्क्रिप्ट वाले यहाँ पर हैं, फैमिली स्क्रिप्ट, राइट? फैमिली स्क्रिप्ट बेटे कौन है यहाँ पे? तिशा है ना? आई थिंक
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Tishta. Family script is a good business idea. I will urge all the participants that if they get time, they should go and find out their business, and their website is familyscript.com. The point is this, that we all are socially aloof these days, and with our thoughts, we are not connected with one another. Not I am saying because of this that we are novice, not at all. But the only point is that we are not having a bonding, emotional bonding these days generally. So that is why people are sitting alone. They are going and they are searching for different type of photographs, memories. What family script is doing, they want to take this advantage of this particular social problem, and they want to give a solution that this is a ready-made ready-made, family script for you. You can go and you can make it. At least you will have something from last 5 years, from last 10 years, whatever you are doing in a one compiled form. So what is this? This is a very good business idea. Anything which is there in the problem, maybe linked with you, maybe linked with anyone, that may maybe converted to a business idea. I hope you will be able to make this particular project. And then if I say that this is the particular this first slide, and you can have any logo of yours. I'm not asking you to go and get a trademark registration or service mark registration or a registered mark registration. No, I'm not saying you. Make any logo of your choice. Put it over here. Don't write EM or SM or R marks on this. Put your logo over here. Who will design it? In the market, general cost is 2,500 rupees. But at this particular stage, I will ask you to make it by your own self, because this is also a part of your creativity. आप एक logo बना लीजिए. Think a very good name of a project report. If you are able to understand or you are to make a good name of project report, so this is also your creativity. Family script is a very good title. Family script. Family script is not the name of their business. It is a trademark. It is a domain which is acquired by their company, right? Then after a year of incorporation, if it is not incorporated, just write that we are planning to incorporate it in this particular year. Name, email, phone number, and date. I hope this is clear to you. This first page is clear to you. Now the second page is what it says about the elevator pitch. Elevator pitch. I have written what I want to listen from you. If I ask you what do you mean by elevator pitch, or how will you define elevator pitch or elevator speech? These two are the same thing, elevator pitch or elevator speech. Definitely, number one, it describes the product and process and services or design in which you are, and number two, how you are connected with it. I just want to ask you that what do you think? What is a good elevator pitch, or what is the definition of elevator pitch? Answer is already given here. Answer is already given here. I just want to know your views.
So it's like a short pitch, like I'm explaining it to someone, like I'm highlighting the main details so that they get a bigger picture of it.
Anything else? Anyone else?
Sir, I wouldn't say that it's a short pitch. That's for sure. Like we do not go in detail about every point, but it contains some 10 to 11 or 20 points about our startup, and every point is accessed or stated once. Like it is covered one, and we do not go into too much detail about it.
But we have limited time. See, generally in competition we get limited time, 30 seconds. Starting from 30 seconds till 15 minutes. You will have to showcase your business idea. How will you do it in this much time? So this is 100%, right? That you are going to follow the rules of brevity, and you want to show it in a very short time. Anything else? Why this elevator pitch is important for investors or the selection committee?
So because they will get to know what problem we are facing and why are we into this business plan, that we are actually facing this problem and we are thinking of providing a solution for the same. How are we personally connected and how this problem has personally affected us as a person, and why would we like to change something about it?
Beta, who is this?
So this is Priya.
Priya, na?
Yes, sir.
प्रिया देखो, ये मैंने लिखा भी हुआ है, how you are connected with it. You are 100% absolutely correct. ठीक है ना?
Yes,
Can you repeat better what you have said? I request all of you to kindly listen each and every word of our explanation. हाँ प्रिया, एक बार फिर से बताओ.
So like it is important for the investors to see that why are you like if you are giving a presentation or any pitch deck, so why are into that idea, like what made you think about that idea, or was it something personal that you faced and you came up with some idea to to give to give a solution to that particular problem. And if we are like personally affected from something, we would definitely put in our best to change something about it. So if we have a personal touch to it, then we are like more motivated to solve that particular problem. So we should be able to depict that in our pitch deck, like this is something we have faced and now we have come up with a solution to that thing.
Means investors should be able to depict this, that this business idea is there. Number one, which I can conclude from your conversation. Number one is the investor. And Rako Priya, what Priya said, the first term is investor, second term is personal touch, and third is motivation. Motivation of the promoter. Number two is the personal touch. Both are linked, interlinked. And number third is investors. ठीक है ना? तो प्रिया यू आर राइट, आपने ठीक बताया. इन सबको सोच के अगर मैं आपसे रॉ लैंग्वेज में बात करूं तो इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? अगर मैं आपसे रॉ लैंग्वेज में बात करूं, इन्वेस्टर क्यों सुनना चाहता है, मुझे गंदी हिंदी लैंग्वेज में बताओ क्या मतलब है इसका. ये सब छोड़ो कि आपने जो आपने फैसिनेटिंग आपने वर्ड्स यूज किए और आपने बहुत ही पिच टेक दी, सबने बहुत क्लैप किया. सो मच इमोशनल क्यों? इट इज हैज अ पर्सनल टच. So much motivated that आज ही पैसा मिल जाए और आप काम करना स्टार्ट कर दोगे. नंबर 3, all the investors they are opening their money for you. अगर मैं आपसे एक लैंग्वेज में पूछूं तो why it is very important for investors?
You
डॉक्टर
have to
प्रिया
get
ने
their attention and interest. You have to be
attention है
able to get their attention and interest towards your solution or your suggestion of a solution.
ठीक है बिल्कुल ठीक है डॉक्टर प्रिया. अब आप आ जाओ इस पे कि कोर पे हिट करो, मुझे बताओ कि इसका मतलब क्या हुआ. इतना ध्यान रखना प्रिया कि इन्वेस्टर सिर्फ पैसा देख रहा है, उसको और किसी चीज से मतलब नहीं है. नाउ यू कम टू द पॉइंट.
सर
Yeah.
Sir,
एक्चुअली
Vipin
जो
this
भी
side.
हम प्रॉब्लम सर, हेलो सर,
one
am
by
I
one
audible?
yeah प्रिया.
सर इन्वेस्टर्स को ये चीज लाइक रियलाइज करवानी होगी, जो हम लाइक प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं वो एक कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है और वो लाइक मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल फेस कर रहे हैं. एंड इफ इट इज अ बिग इशू तो दैट हैज टू बी सॉल्व्ड.
प्रिया आपने बिल्कुल ठीक बोला है, इसको मैं बिल्कुल डिनाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये बिल्कुल भी ठीक है.
वो
इसके
इसमें से
अलावा
पैसे कैसे बना सकेंगे और
Sir,
कितनी
Vipin
जल्दी
this
बना
भी-
सकेंगे.
ये भी सुना मैंने. एक और चीज बताओ जो कि
सर,
आपको
ये-
कोई नहीं बताएगा, जो
हाँ.
आपको कोई नहीं बताएगा,
sir.
जो सिर्फ इन्वेस्टर बताएंगे. क्योंकि मैं इन्वेस्टर से आज मिलता हूँ, जब मैं उनसे बात करता हूँ तो मुझे पता चलता है कि वो ये चीज ढूंढ रहे थे.
सर कि हम कितने ज्यादा अटेंशन तुरंत ले लेते हैं, अगर हम उनका अटेंशन ग्रैब्स करेंगे तो सिमिलरली हम
एक्सेप्टेड. हाँ विपिन, डू यू वांट टू से समथिंग?
Sir, basically investor is investing money. So he wants to see how serious you are, how much committed you are in that project.
राइट. बेटे विपिन सर का ना एक्सपीरियंस है, आप उस बात को देखो. मैं आपको जो बोल रहा था ना, मुझे गंदी लैंग्वेज में बताओ, वो ये था कि इन्वेस्टर ये देखता है कि इन्वेस्टर ये एंटरप्रेन्योर भाग तो नहीं जाएगा. वो ये देखता है कि ये भाग तो नहीं जाएगा इन 1 ईयर और इन 2 ईयर और इन 3 ईयर, ये भाग तो नहीं जाएगा, ये अपने शेयर किसी और को बेच के तो नहीं चला जाएगा.
यस सर.
This is what is there in the mind of investor. Please try to understand if you are investor. If you are investor, I do take your point that ideas should be very good. I do take your all the points whatever you say. But the very important concern with the investor's point of view, not reverse your situation. अभी आपके पास business idea है ना, forget about it. Now the situation is this that you want to invest 10 lakhs of your hard money in any one business ideas. तो ये बात ठीक है कि business idea अच्छा होना चाहिए. आपने जितनी बातें बोली, everything I am accepting. But what very important point I am going to add in this particular thing that you want to know कि ये जो entrepreneur है, ये business idea से बोर तो नहीं हो जाएगा, ये भाग तो नहीं जाएगा. Are you getting my point? ना, you all are getting my point.
यस सर.
Or if
Yes,
you are
yes,
getting
sir.
my point, if you are getting my point, Betty, whenever you go for a signing of a term sheet, you know about the term sheet now. Whenever investor is going to invest money in any startup, तो पहला जो document बनता है, which is basically interim document, That document is known as what? The term sheet. Term sheet के format आपको net में भरे पड़े मिल जाएंगे. At least more than 1,000 format of term sheets are there in the Google. You can go and you can find out. In that particular term sheet, there is a term which is known as what? The vesting. 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 Vesting का मतलब क्या है कि how long entrepreneur will be there in your business, in that particular business, and he will not be able to sell his share or equity. जो entrepreneur के पास है, the equity hold by entrepreneur. And for that only, if you understand the crux about it, that is why I am saying that understanding the business plan is very important. If you understand the crux about it, show it like this. Sir, I am doing this business because I'm sorry of using these terms. One of my relative died because of this problem. Or when I was pregnant, I faced all these problems. So this is the solution I want to bring into the market because I understand that this is required in the market. And this is not only for startups. I am again sorry of saying this. आप लोग सब लोग रतन टाटा जी को जानते हैं? सब लोग जानते हैं रतन टाटा जी को?
So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
रतन टाटा जी नैनो कार्ड लेकर के आए. You all know about the nano 1 lakh rupees card, lakh टका जो भी नाम था उसका.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The pitch, the elevator speech he had given at that time when he was launching this nano car, that was excellent one. सबने clap किया था. उन्होंने बताया, he explained himself that what he has seen and what the idea came into his mind that he thought of launching a car of 1 lakh rupees. A middle class person with a wife and 2 kids going in the full-fledged rain can't afford a car of 1 lakh rupees. Target costing. I hope you understand about the target costing. Target manufacturing. पता है ना? 1 लाख में कार बनानी है, not targeted. China is very good in this. If you go for and study the case studies of China, you will get so many cases in target cost. Target costing is this, or target manufacturing is this, that this money is fixed. That 1 lakh rupees you will have to make your product in 1 lakh of rupees. Now go and research about it. और उसमें आपको प्रॉफिट भी होना चाहिए. मतलब कॉस्ट शीट आप लेकर के आओ. If you think that 5% the profit should be there, I hope the people who are there from the financial background, they understand about the cost sheet. Then the cost sheet should be of 95,000 of rupees. So that adding 5%, 995 का 5% नहीं आएगा, 5,000 1 lakh का आएगा. Then you add your 5% because that particular profit is very important when you are going to the market for marketing strategy. Marketing strategy के लिए you need profit strategies. I'm sorry, मैं दूसरे पॉइंट को लेके आ रहा हूँ. Reliance ऐसी कंपनी के लिए it is not very important to go for a profit strategy. क्यों? Because they can sell their product in loss also, right ना? But this is not a good and ethical practices in the market. अगर वो ऐसी practice होगी तो startups तो काम कर ही नहीं पाएंगे. We will always work under some people like Reliance. कि आप मुझे मौका दो, then only we will work. Because I'm not talking about that kind of unethical environment, but then too, if it is a good ethical environment, and you want to say that this is a particular costing and you are going to make it, cost sheet should not increase this particular point, then only you start working it. Then innovation is required. Then your product development is required. I do understand if still a product बनाएंगे तो सब बन जाएगा, but I don't want to invest that particular costing. That is why I'm going for some other product which can be replaced, which can replace your particular steel product, maybe by polymer or maybe by plastic or maybe some good quality of plastic. China is doing very good in this. If I go to the China, if I say, sir, this is the pen which I have purchased in 1,000 rupees, I just give you an example, and I want to, I am not ready to pay 100 rupees for manufacturing of this one particular pen, which is known as what the unit economy, if you know. So China will never ask you it. I'm sorry, I'm praising China over here. China will never ask you, ये 1,000 में ये 100 नहीं बन रहा है. What they will say, we will try to make it in 100 rupees.
क्या काम आपको?
We will try to make it in 100 rupees only. 100 rupees only. Why? I understand that whatever the quality China is going to use, it is of third class. It is not of any good quality. You are also not sure about the durability of that particular product. These all the things are accepted. But the point is this: that how will you work for this cost manufacturing or unit or the target manufacturing? Right? So China is already there in good. But Ratan Tata, when he said that he want to work in target costing and 1 lakh rupees, he will show you that how a very good car can be manufactured and that can be sold. हम दो की जगह एक वाइपर लगाएंगे, ये प्लास्टिक के कंपोनेंट्स लगाएंगे, ये चीज लगाएंगे, this type of thing we are going to do. It makes a sense. वो अलग बात है कि वो चला क्यों नहीं पाए, आज नैनो मार्केट में क्यों नहीं है, या नैनो की परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी क्यों नहीं रही, that is a different thing. ठीक है ना? But the point is this, that this kind of elevator speech, when you say, when you give that I want to present this particular product because of these are the problems which I have seen, and that particular problem is not related with you, everyone, and you understand that this person is there, he is linked with that particular product, he is always having a blessing in this. I hope this point is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Or if you want to
Yes,
add
sir.
something.
Yes, sir.
चलो, तो एलिवेटर पिच हो जाती है, तो नेक्स्ट में आते हैं. दिस इज अ जनरल योर टीम एंड की एडवाइजर्स. I have put my name only to explain it to you, that this type of way you can put the name of your directors in any proposed private limited company. You do understand that minimum 2 directors are required. Maximum how many directors could be there in any private limited company? In any private limited company, how many minimum directors are required?
Sir, 2.
2, very good, sir. And maximum how many?
Sir, 15.
Sir,
Yeah, 15. 15 is actually, it is not specified anywhere, but yes, it is 15. But with a special kind of board resolution, you can even go for more than 15 also. But 15 is a fair number. 15 से ऊपर board members, number of directors रखना is not good for the health of the company because of so many reasons. But who said this 15?
Sir, I did.
Okay. 15. Dr. Priya. Okay. Thanks, Dr. Priya. Number 2, some people are writing that 200. 200 is also right, but 200 not for directors. 200 for what?
Shareholders.
For shareholders, right? For shareholders. पहले 50 था, अभी 200 कर दिया गया.
Yes,
क्यों?
sir.
क्यों? चलो, क्यों कर दिया गया मुझे नहीं पता. विपिन जी, you want to say something?
It could be because the limit has increased the valuation or the upper limit of how much.
सर, ये सहारा के जो सुब्रतो राव जी थे ना, उन्होंने प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी बनाने के बाद मार्केट से पैसा उठा लिया, उनके खिलाफ केस हो गया, वो अभी तक उस केस से बाहर नहीं निकल पाया. तो his point was this, that with 50 investors, how you allow us as a private limited company to go for to scale our business. Anyway, that could be a point which we can just listen and we can forget about it. But yes, your point is very much correct, that we also want to scale up with 50 investors. It is with a limited capital. Here, authorized capital and paid capital could be of any amount. So right, so maybe 200 is a good number, but not more than 200. Why 200 से ऊपर क्यों नहीं कर सकते? 200 is just a number, in the Companies Act 2013. It has been given that 200 investors you can have. 200 से ज़्यादा भी रख सकते हैं. In a public limited company, what is the limit? In a public limited company, what is the limit?
So no limit.
No limit, infinite, anything. You want to purchase 1 share of Reliance Industries, and you are also owner. You know about it, no? You are also owner, but your percentage is very low. It maybe it is 0, equivalent to 0 or tending towards 0, or maybe negligible. But you are owner. You will be known as you are owner of this particular company with this particular share. So yes, a public limited company. Now these public limited companies are 2 types: unlisted or listed. Right. So you know that how many 2 directors you can have. You can have some number of members also. You can go for CEO, COO, CMO, CXO, whatever you want. How many you want, you can have. 1 CEO, 1 CMO you want, you can have. Advisors, consultants, whoever are there in your team, you can write over here. Then problems and opportunity. Again, I'm repeating. This is the problem in the market. These are the solutions already existing into the market. What is your solution in technology? This is what basically the matrix of problem and opportunity. I hope this you know even better than me. Why? Because you are actually into the market. You are having a business idea. Only 3 things are important. Number 1, what is the problem you are going to solve from your startups? which are the already existing solutions into the market. And third one is this, that what is your solution? How you are different than other? Any question in this?
So because like we are also supposed to make the pitch deck over here, and some actually have an idea, some don't have an idea. So sir, like we'll have to do the actual research in the market related to the idea, or if not, we can just come up with something for the assignment purpose.
But what if you are coming for the 7%? What is your name, better? Shruti?
No, sir, Shreya.
Yeah, Shreya. Okay, Shreya. If you are asking, I am telling you. Okay, no.
Okay, sir.
First thing is this, that why I am giving you this assignment. What is my purpose of giving this assignment to you? What do you think?
So that we get even clearer with our idea.
Not with your idea. I want only you to know how to make pitch deck.
Okay, sir.
Okay, मुझे इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है, whatever is your business idea, it is a good or not. I am not going to evaluate your business idea.
Okay.
Right, बेटे? देखो, you are doing a course on entrepreneurship and innovation, right?
Yes, sir.
If you don't know how to make a pitch deck, if any third party, they can ask you. They may ask you, ना, आप किसी को पास जाते हो, बोलते हो, सर ये मेरा, this is the course which I have done of 6 months or 3 months, right?
Yes, sir.
And a person will ask you that what do you mean by the pitch deck, or what are the components of pitch deck, or अगर नहीं बता पाते हो, so that is a failure from my side.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is the soul of your program. So
Okay,
you should know how to make a pitch deck, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is my purpose. I hope this is clear now.
Very much, sir. Thank you.
And now later on, maybe you may have a different business idea year after, or maybe after 5 years, maybe after 10 years. If you know how to make a pitch deck, you will be able to replace your contents, right?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you understand about this problem which you are going to solve from your startup. Number 2, which are the solutions which are already there in the market. The third one is what is your solution or your technology or your different point, your USP. Right?
Yes.
Anyone else? If anyone has any question?
So those who have signed up for the mentorship program also, उनका तो pitch deck आप seriously लेंगे ना sir? मतलब you will make us work on it on our business ideas, right?
हाँ, बिल्कुल, Dr. Priya, बिल्कुल. I hope Dr. Priya, you are also a faculty member, no?
जी sir.
हाँ, तो I hope you understand what I mean to say, ना? ये students को ना एक बार पता चल जाए कि कैसे बनाते हैं.
जी, नहीं, not that way. I was just saying because I am planning to work on something.
Yes, बिल्कुल,
Because the
surely.
reason I came for the program, so I don't want to be, I want to be treated like a student, but make sure that, since I'm looking at mentorship, I'm on the right path. So I do a serious job of the assignment. Not
And I will also be a
perspective,
partner of your
but,
company. I will also be a partner in your company.
Thank you, sir. I look forward to it, but I'm going to need a lot of help. So definitely. Thank you, sir.
Sure. Yeah, sure. I will be your partner. Any one of you. If you want my means I am here. Means we are taking salary from the government for whom? For what? For only you people, no?
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है. I hope this is clear ना बेटे. ठीक है ना? Pitch deck is a very important part. जैसे कि आप लोग B.Tech करते हो, you make your project report ना. You make it or not? Your project you make it ना.
Yes, sir.
Like that,
Yes,
this is
sir.
a project. Like that, this is a project. You will have to complete it. And this is a very easy project. In management or management studies or anything which is linked with the management, everything is easy, right? So, if you understand that, now what comes at what stage you are right now. If you are not having a business idea and for the sake of completing this program, you can go and you can write that your business idea is at idea stage. Your business idea is at idea stage. You can write about it. But if you are just like Dr. Priya, if you are seriously doing it, maybe you are at POC or POV level, maybe at prototype level, maybe at minimum viable product, minimum lovable product. Product is ready into the market. You are in the death valley, and if you are in the death valley, at what coordinate you are? Then, if you are recovering from the death valley, how soon you are going to recover? What is the revenue generation acceleration if you are in acceleration mode? One product is set into the market. Product you are going to diversify, or you have already been diversified. If you have already been diversified, which all are the products, and then the investment. If you have already got first stage or any angel investment, then you can write this. So these are the probable stages of your business idea. I am repeating for you, those who are not having a business idea, you can very well write as an idea. It is at idea stage. right? Now, if you have any question pertaining to any term of out of this, you can ask me if some of you are serious in doing your own business. If not, I would like to move ahead.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, at the end, it's written that if there's more than one stage, as mentioned, and start hybrid positioning. So I want to ask, how is it possible to be in different stages when you're working on a single startup?
It could be in many ways. Number one, if in your business idea you are just showing more than one product, right?
Okay.
Then it is possible, right?
Yes, sir, that's
Number
possible.
two, in one product only, one is the product, second one is the servicing, number third is the AMC, that is annual maintenance contract, right? So these all are the products from my point of view. Say if you are selling air condition is one product, service of air condition paid is service of air condition, that is the second product. Number three, AMC is the third product. Now say in this one product only, if something is settled, something is not settled. So you will have to write for different products also, right? And moreover, in one product only, many times it happens that you are not sure about it. POC has been done. POC understand a proof of concept that this product will be made, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
but you are not sure. But you are not sure about that. How long the death valley will be. Death valley is this, that how long you will be in loss. Death valley is just like a hockey stick. If you have done it, it is well and good. If you're not done it, if you want to know, you can find out in the Google. If you want to know more from me, I can also explain it to you. And death valley is dy by dx minus dy by dx, where y is the loss you are facing in your company and t is the time. Okay ना, इसके फॉर्मूले होते हैं, फॉर्मूले से हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं. Now investors का भी अलग-अलग व्यू है. Some people say that this is actually related with the burning rate. आप बर्न कैसे हो रहे हो? बर्निंग रेट मतलब कितनी जल्दी जल रहे हो, बर्निंग रेट, राइट? सर, इट इज नेसेसरी टू इन्वॉल्व investee for your business investment, or can you start businesses at low? हाँ, you can. देखो, if you are not asking me to reveal your name because this message private way, what I want to say that about induced investment. I repeat the question, okay? The question is this, sir, is it necessary to involve investees or investors for your business investment? I hope that investors you are talking about. Or can we also start business with low investment that can be managed by us only without anyone's help? I hope this is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
This girl is asking that, sir, investor की जरूरत है कि हम अपने investment से start कर दें, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now one term is very important here. I don't know how many of you know about it, which is known as what? Known at what? Induced investment. Induced investment. Now, how many of you know about this induced investment? आप लोग गूगल देख के मत बताओ बेटे, किसी को पता है इंड्यूस्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब?
No, sir.
इंड्यूस्ड, चलो कोई बात नहीं बेटे, अब तक गेस करो. इंड्यूस्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट मींस क्या हुआ? इंड्यूस्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट व्हिच इज इंड्यूस्ड. व्हाट डज इट मीन? इंड्यूस तो पढ़ा होगा ना आप लोग ने. इंड्यूस आपने इलेक्ट्रिकल में पढ़ा होगा, इलेक्ट्रिकल साइंस में, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग में. इंड्यूस फोर्स.
Sir, induced, which means that it's not like if we talk it in a general aspect, induced means that it has not originally started with us, but the effect can be seen on the other areas.
Right. Induced investment means क्या होता है कि there is no investor, but from your profit you are investing in the business. From the profit you are again investing in your business. This is known as what? The induced investment. Concept is very old. Induced investment is very old concept. If you know about economics now, and generally it is done at country level. ठीक है ना आप लोग, अगर if you really have interest in economics now, please go and study about this induced investment. Many people were giving suggestions to the government of Greece or government of Brazilian at that time when they were facing financial crisis. So induced investment. Now coming to you, back to your question, Bete, if you understand that you are having low investment and you want to generate it from your side only, an induced investment is this: go and launch in the market from your money plus. This plus is very important. The profit which you are getting from your business, which is actually induced to the investment that you can put into the business. There is no harm in this. But the only thing is this, that here there are chances that some other people with good investment, they can take advantages even if you are a first mover in that particular segment. अगर आपने पहला business start किया, but then too they are late movers. Late movers means they are coming late, but then too they may be able to take your complete business. Why? Because in very fast moment they are putting their fund, and that fund is not their own fund. Their fund is from the investors. ठीक है ना? जैसे कि मैं आपको बात बताता हूँ, YouTube आप सब लोग जानते हैं.
Yes, sir.
YouTube was the fourth mover in that particular segment. And before that, 3 more movers were there whose product were better than YouTube at that time. But then too, nobody knows them. I was knowing it, but now I am also not knowing about those three companies. But you will find it in Google, right? What was the reason why those 3 companies could not perform well, even if the product was very good? It was better than YouTube. क्यों नहीं वो चला?
So that could be due to a number of reasons. Like one of them could be that YouTube saw like a better opportunity and then they striked it at the right time. Something like
नहीं,
that.
वो उनके साथ भी था, वो तीनों के साथ भी था. के बाद भी वो नहीं चले. क्या रीजन था?
So not changing with the curve.
नहीं, वो better थे. I'm saying that product was better. The product was better.
In terms of marketing too, they were better.
क्योंकि उनके पास फंड नहीं था, मार्केटिंग नहीं कर पाए. Nobody knew about that particular product.
Okay.
What I am saying, if you are 100% confident about your product, but nobody knows about it, what will you do of it? हमें क्यों ब्रांड इन्वेस्टर चाहिए होता है? ये प्रॉब्लम है, हमारे फ्यूचर कस्टमर्स की प्रॉब्लम है कि they will not go with the quality of the product in the beginning. In the beginning, they will not go with the quality of the product. They will go with the face of the brand investor. I don't know that you are maybe you are not agreeing with my point. आप एक बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बना करके देख लो, आप हिट होगे, but it will take longer time. How much longer you cannot predict it.
So we can say like when we have seen a normal practice in India where they hire the actors to be our brand ambassadors. So I think the philosophy that goes behind this is that by hiring some very known good actor, what they do is they're also targeting the audience that follows the actor.
Right. And this is the influence marketing, ना? Right? आप बिल्कुल ठीक है. अरे मुझे सलमान खान वगैरह या बड़े जो फिल्म एक्टर्स हैं, आपके प्रोडक्ट को लाइक करने के लिए उनको पैसे मिलते हैं. ऐसे नहीं उन्होंने यूज किया, उनको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Only for one like they are getting money. ठीक है ना? अभी क्रेडिट का इतना बिजनेस हो गया, आप लोग पता होगा क्रेडिट की स्टोरी, फ्री कार्ड से लेके क्रेडिट तक किस तरह से बिजनेस. यू नो अबाउट द क्रेडिट ना? क्रेडिट कार्ड पे करने का बिल है. गोविंदा को लेकर के आ गए. ही इज डांसिंग इन सम अदर वे. Up, I don't know how much influence or impact will be there into the market, but this is a chance for some credit is in loss after getting huge investment from a US company known as Venture Catalyst. First debut हुआ उसका US की Venture Catalyst का इंडिया में क्रेडिट में, कुणाल की कंपनी में, and then after they are not getting proper response. लोग बोलते हैं क्यों इन्वेस्टमेंट ले, but then now you can see that what kind of advertisement they are doing it. अगर if the product is good, I know that product is good. But then too, if people are not using it, there could be many reasons. ठीक है ना? वो सिक्योरिटी का रीजन, कुछ भी रीजन हो. But why now investment is required? Because that if with your limited money, with your limited investment, it will take longer time. If you are a very good person from bakery, you are opening your bakery shop, although it is not 100% entrepreneurship. आप बहुत सी पेस्ट्री बनाते हो, केक बनाते हो, बिस्किट्स बनाते हो, it will run, but it will take time. So why do we go for the investors? कि हमें थोड़ा सा वो exponential growth मिल जाए. This is the only one reason. I hope this is clear to you, ना?
Sir, एक question था.
Yeah.
Sir, एक question था. Somebody mentioned about one more stage and hybrid positioning, and why would you need, different stages? जैसे आपने नीचे लिखा है आपके PPT में.
Right.
So would franchising and licensing be also a reason why we can say that, more than one stage in a particular kind of a service or particular type of product, could that also be part of this sentence जो आपने दिया है?
बिल्कुल पार्ट हो सकता है,
Stages.
बट डॉक्टर
जी.
प्रिया इसको देखो, फ्रेंचाइजी इज अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइसेंसिंग, राइट और रॉन्ग? I am
Yes, I
repeating,
think so.
franchisee is a part of licensing. There are more than one type of licensing.
Right.
राइट है ना? हाँ, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में आप देते हो, आप किसी को अपना पार्टनर इंस्टीट्यूट बनाते हो, पार्टनर कंपनी बनाते हो, और मे बी आप उसको अपना OEM बनाते हो, व्हाटएवर. फ्रेंचाइजी इज अ पार्ट. सो इन लाइसेंसिंग आल्सो you can say that this is my franchisee. That is point number 1. And these are not my franchisee, but these are my some other connections or some other agreement with this. तो आप बिल्कुल ठीक कह रही हो प्रिया. In not only in startup stages, but in that particular stage also, in licensing also, you can have hybrid model. है ना? You can have hybrid model. आप आराम से सोचो उसके बारे में. और मैं आपको कुछ अपने स्टार्टअप्स के बारे में बताऊंगा जो अभी रिसेंटली मेरे साथ जुड़े हैं. And they are also in many ways. In particular licensing also they are doing in many different purposes they are solving, but they are having hybrid model. है ना? तो आप उसको रखो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम अगेन सेइंग दैट बिजनेस प्लान, हाउ टू मेक अ बिजनेस प्लान ना, यू शुड हैव वेरी गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट इट. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू मेक अ वेरी गुड बिजनेस प्लान. If you are not having, why do we teach you how to make a private limited company? क्या आप ये बनना है? क्या आपको प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी बनानी है? नहीं ना? तो then why do we conduct session on how to make a private limited company, how to make a public limited company, what is LLP, what is the difference between LLP and private limited company, what is OPC, what are the benefits of OPC, or what are the partnership form, registered partnership, difference between trust and society, what is Section 8 company. Why do we teach everything? Because all the things should be there. हम लोग उसको क्यों कराते हैं? Only the essence is only this, to give you a good way of understanding that what these companies are, what is the difference between company and firm. Right now, again, point is the same. CA आपको बेवकूफ ना बनाता है. Right now, तो likewise, these all the contents are over here. तो एक understanding इसकी हो बस. I hope I have explained to you this to you.
Yes, sir.
Any question, please be frank. पूछो मुझसे कुछ भी पूछना अगर आपको, तो अगर मैं अपना ठीक बता पा रहा हूँ तो.
So Death Valley coordinates or one product settled. If you can just tell us a little about that.
One product settled मतलब ये है कि if you are having 3 products in the portfolio of your company, right?
हाँ, right at the start.
Right at the start. And out of these 3 products, see, one is product number A, one is product number B, and one is product number C, right, Priya? Now, product number A was not of higher revenue, whereas product number B and product number C was quite at higher value, right? Revenue was expected higher in comparison of product number A. And in your business, if product number A is settled, means not only the first group of customers are satisfied, you are also having very good NPS, that is Net Promoter Score, pertaining to this particular product. This is settled into the market.
Okay.
And your B and C are yet to be settled into the market, but they are more revenue generating. This kind of businesses में ये first product settlement होना बहुत जरूरी है. It actually induce this investors. उनको लगता है एक तो settle हो ही गया है, अब देखो हम इन दोनों में क्या कर सकते हैं. ये उनके लिए asset बन गया.
Correct.
ठीक है ना? वो asset कैसे use होगा? I hope you understand. In marketing also, in HR also, हर जगह use करेंगे उसको.
जी.
Right ना? Integration also, in product development also, everywhere. Now you are coming to the Death Valley. Death Valley is what? I hope you can understand this. Can you see me this ना? ये देख सकते हो आप लोग कॉपी?
हाँ जी.
Sorry, मेरे बच्चे की कॉपी है. These 2 lines, if you can see, can you see these 2 lines?
So
this
profit
is
or
origin.
loss and time.
Yeah, here on the
y-axis.
on this y-axis it is profit and loss, and here it is time, right?
Time, right.
Now, actually, what happens? It is just like hockey stick. Can you see this?
Right.
This could be one chance. There could be another chance also. Here you are having only one valley, right?
Right.
Here you are having how many valleys?
2.
There could be more than 2 valleys also.
True, true.
Whatever part is coming up to the lower side is known as what? That valley.
Okay.
I hope now this is clear to you, no?
Irrespective of the size of that valley. Just
No. Hi, irrespective. Now,
okay.
Now, how will you calculate this area of this? You know about the dy by dx, you know?
हाँ.
तो here यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा? dl मतलब लॉस हो रहा है. dl oblique dt. Are you a mathematics student or not?
No, I have left it years ago, but I understand this.
अब ये अब समय है loss का differentiate upon the time का differentiate.
Time, right.
Now, if you want to know the area about this, तो आप लोग क्या करोगे? Time के respect में आपको integrate करोगे? ये बात ठीक है कि नहीं?
जी.
In dt पे, right? और यहाँ पर आप क्या लिखोगे? What is your burning function? Whatever his function is, or that burning function is explaining you that what is the pattern of this
depth
figure.
of the valley.
Pattern, right? समझ आ गया ना बेटा आप लोग को ना? Now, if I ask you what are the coordinates, तो coordinates क्या है? अगर आप बोलते हो कि first death valley देख ली मेरे business में, now second death valley, these are the coordinates. So whatever will be the respective coordinate, one will be this and another one will be this.
Right.
Now, so they want to know that not only the burning rate, whatever will be the burning rate, but also the coordinates of at presently where you are and how long it will go. If I am an investor, I should know that for what burning rate I should be prepared.
Correct.
I am also responsible now for the LPs. LPs का जो fund मिला है मुझे, that is limited partners. I am also responsible for that.
True.
I hope this is clear now.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. But it is not this much easy yet. There are so many calculations.
True, sir. This is just like a visual representation of what you were trying to explain.
Yeah. Okay. So shall I move ahead now?
Yes, please, sir.
So I hope this you will understand by your own. What is the unique value proposition or unique features of your product, or what are the wow factors? Wow factors जो अभी तक किसी के पास नहीं थे. Unique मतलब it could be with some other people or similar other product. Competitive advantage, and last one is what the rewards and recognition you have received from anywhere. Right?
Yes, sir.
चलो इसके बाद आ जाओ आप यहाँ पर. इसको आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरत नहीं है. Only the thing what you have to write that what is the customer segment and market size. Why you will have to show that you want to show that this much is the market size. This much is the market size, and that is why if you invest in my company, the market size is huge. We can assure you some good benefit. And this TAM, SAM, and SOM that I will take up in some other section. अभी आपके लिए जो आपको project बनाना है, only you will have to write that what is the market size, and from where you will get it. You will get it from secondary data. Secondary data you understand, I hope.
So data which we have collected from other sources, published sources.
Right, sir. But sir, don't forget to write from where you have collected that data. कोई भी आप में से कोई भी. हाँ ठीक है sir. Next is what what will be the growth channel? How will you give acceleration to your project? आप awareness करोगे. Acquisition मतलब customer acquisition. Activation means how will you activate your customers. Retention means how will you keep your customers with you. Referral means how they will give you reference to other future customers. And last one is revenue. How will you generate revenue? Done? These are the matrices. और ये matrices जो हैं ये आप लोगों को show करनी है, but not all matrices. any one or any two matrices which are relevant with your business idea.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. इसके पहले वाला slide एक बार दिखाएंगे sir, please. Sir, इसमें जो आपने लिखा है partner channel, which means whenever we are making this pitch deck, B2C आपने बताया है वो awareness acquisition. The same thing can also be applied if I'm just working with a business partner, right? For
Right,
example,
right.
I'm not going direct to consumer, but I have a product or a service which is B2B.
Mhm.
So the same thing will be applicable in that case also, right, sir?
Right, right. देखो प्रिया, you heard about the value chain analysis?
जी,
है ना? अब you are faculty of management studies.
जी.
अच्छा, वैल्यू चेन एनालिसिस में हम लोग लास्ट में क्या बोलते हैं? वैल्यू चेन एनालिसिस में योर वैल्यू और योर एज जिसको प्लस से शो करते हैं, आपको याद है ना?
जी.
That should be aligned from your ultimate suppliers till your ultimate buyer. बोलते हैं ना, ये चीज
Buyers.
सब चेन बनाते हैं
Right.
पूरी को.
Right.
तो
right.
हाँ, तो we take not only your unit, your complete unit as one unit.
Right.
Right ना? So shall I move ahead?
जी sir, sorry.
So any one or two matrices which are matrix, मतलब you know understand ना matrix. Matrices. I hope you understand number, any number. One is matrix. वो matrix अलग है. वो matrix भी use होती है businesses में. Whenever we are talking about the two dimensionals or two parameter based equations, here what we are talking about a simple matrix. What will be the performance indication? You can show anywhere that this is my business idea and I will take this as my key matrix. This is two. If you want to say, sir, number of subscribers will be my key matrix, I am agreeing with this. If you say, sir, number of actual customers is my key matrix, I am accepting it. If you say, sir, the customer's feedback is my matrix, that is also accepted, whatever you say. But you will have to convince me or your investor or anyone that why you are choosing this particular matrix as a performance indicator for your business.
So sir, even qualitative data that we get over here will have to be quantified, right? To show how we are arriving or using this as a measurement.
Right.
Right.
Ultimately तो आपको यही शो करना है, इन्वेस्टर पैसा दो.
जी, जी.
और इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर मेरा बिजनेस लो. कस्टमर्स मेरा प्रोडक्ट परचेज करो. Suppliers associate with me. Mentors be associated with us. Anything, but you will have to justify that why you are choosing this. And key result areas इंडिया में बहुत ज्यादा काम नहीं होता है, तो मैं बोलता भी नहीं हूँ, लेकिन इंडिया के बाहर लोग जब भी आप स्टैक शो करोगे वो बोलते हैं these are your strength. ठीक है, आपने weaknesses बताइए. जब आप बोलते हो sir these are my weaknesses, then they will put another question, then what are the key result areas, how will you work on that particular business weakness or weaknesses. So that also you will have to explain. कि इंडिया में मैंने आज तक इतने सारे pitch deck में बैठा हूँ, इतने सारे इन्वेस्टर्स ने मुझे बुला करके स्टार्टअप्स के इंटरव्यूज मेरे सामने कंडक्ट कराए, मुझसे वैल्यूएशन लिए. मेरे सामने तो आज तक कभी किसी ने नहीं पूछा कि सर ये बता दो कि की रिजल्ट एरिया आपने क्या है, कोई पूछता ही नहीं है. लेकिन बट यू शुड नो दैट व्हाट इज की रिजल्ट एरिया, बिकॉज जनरली इन स्टार्टअप्स इन यूएस यू विल फाइंड दैट फॉर दिस दे आर आल्सो हैविंग अस डिफरेंट स्लाइड्स. These are my weaknesses and I will be working on this particular area with the help of you. You means investor. So here it is a vice versa. We are also expecting, you are expecting these things from the startups, we are also expecting these things from you. That is why I am coming to you to have all investors. Just example. So if you have any question in any of these terms, so ये आप मुझसे पूछ लो. These are the slides, I will share it with you. Otherwise, you will get it in weekera.com.
Sir, actually, I'm bad with these matrices. Can you please explain it a bit more?
You asked me all of these.
Can you please highlight some?
Okay. What's your name, Shia?
Sachi Arora.
Sachi Arora. Sachi, you can get the essence of these terms if you will read it. Booking and revenue. Booking मतलब क्या हुआ?
To hire someone, also book someone. Yes, something.
Booking means see. If you give your order to Amazon, you give your order to Amazon.
Yes, sir, I do.
ठीक है ना? You book some product, right?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, whenever it is coming to your home, you can cancel it.
Yes, sir, for sure.
If it comes back and you can cancel it, or you can get refund in 10 days or 30 days.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना? You book something but later on you realize that that was not required or the quality was not that good. You pay only 50% of it because of any reason, because whatever power you are having. If Amazon like company, they add what was the booking amount, that will come as a big booking. And many times there's a difference between booking and revenue. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
booking and I hope you understand the meaning of this booking and revenue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now the gap between booking and revenue, it should be higher or it should be lowest. The gap between booking and revenue. सोच के बताना, जल्दी नहीं, आराम से सोचो साक्षी करो.
I think it should be lowest, I guess.
It should be low. Very good. Why?
I need to think about that.
नहीं नहीं, अगर ज्यादा हो रहा है इसका मतलब आप जो प्रॉमिस कर रहे हो प्रोडक्ट वैसी डिलीवरी नहीं दे रहा, राइट ना? क्वालिटी उसकी पुअर है, आप शो कुछ कर रहे हो, बेच कुछ रहे हो, या बोलते हो 10 डेज में आएगा, आ रहा है 20 डेज में.
बिल्कुल.
Right. So second point is what? Recurring revenue and total revenue. Now emphasize in this: recurring revenue and total revenue. Recurring revenue and total revenue. Do you understand the meaning of recurring revenue and total revenue?
A bit, sir.
Recurring revenue means if you pay me 100 rupees per month, that is my recurring revenue.
All right, sir. All right.
But if you are paying me as and when requirement, it will come to my total revenue.
Okay.
Okay, na? So for an investor, what is good? Is recurring revenue or total revenue? उसकी बताना.
Maybe recurring revenue because
Recurring revenue, na?
yes, sir.
Right. Recurring revenue is always very important, ever more important, because this is assured. This is assured.
Yes, sir.
Right. Chalo, total. I am not saying that total revenue is not important. That is also very important. Total contract value and total transaction value, maybe per annum or per quarter. Total contract value, total transaction value. So the meaning also contract value, transaction value. It is very much linked with point number 1. If you are clear with this, I will move ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, total is not the 4th point, is unearned or deferred revenue. Is this good or it is not that good? Or unearned is good or not good, or deferred is good or not good?
Deferred meaning, sir?
Deferred मतलब late हो गया.
Okay. From the unearned and deferred, I guess deferred would be better.
Would be better, ठीक है ना? But if unearned is going at higher point, this in quarter 1 it was this, quarter 2 it is this, quarter 3 it is this. So what this pattern is showing? Unearned क्यों हो रहा है? I hope you understand, ना?
No, sir.
Unearned बढ़ रहा है, इसका मतलब कि लोग आपसे कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है ना? If it is constant, then only in this situation is good that you are getting higher subscribed values, subscribed customers also with you. Then it is manageable.
Yeah.
Right now, so these are the questions whenever they are going to pitch it at higher level, we ask these questions. Chalo, next now, active user, DAU, MAU, monthly or daily active users. If you are having any app application business and the number of people they are subscribed with you, that is point number 1. But how many people are subscribed with you is not of many of once use. What is useful, that how many active users are there? Right now?
Right.
Churn rate मतलब जो लोग निकल रहे हैं, those who are leaving your business, that is churn rate. Churn rate मतलब जो छोड़ रहे हैं आपकी ऐप को. जैसे आपने प्ले क्या आता है वो प्ले, गूगल प्ले में आपने ऐप डाली, ठीक है, आपने डिलीट कर दी, तो आपने डिलीट किया वो चर्न रेट में जाएगी, उनके चर्न रेट में.
Okay.
ठीक है. हाँ. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? टिकट साइज. टिकट साइज के बहुत सारे मीनिंग है. सो मेनी पीपल आर यूजिंग इट. इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए की टिकट साइज इज डिफरेंट, स्टार्टअप्स के लिए टिकट साइज इज डिफरेंट. टिकट साइज मतलब कि आप मिनिमम आपका स्लॉट क्या है बेचने का, राइट?
Right.
And the gross merchandise value, it is very common word in retail. If you do retail management, it is very common word. Everybody knows about GMV, gross merchandise value. Burn rate मैंने बता दिया अभी डेथ वैली का. And cohort analysis, it is a very big issue. इतना मैं आपसे डिटेल में नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. कभी ये सब कोहार्ट एनालिसिस वगैरह में अगर मैं घुसूंगा तो आपको पूरी मैनेजमेंट की अच्छी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. कोहार्ट एनालिसिस मतलब कि यू आर गोइंग टू एनालाइज इन बिटवीन 1 to 2 कोहार्ट फर्स्ट एंड देन अमंग मेनी कोहार्ट. ओके, तो वो सब हम करते हैं अलग अलग कुछ की रिजल्ट एरियाज आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड. आई होप दिस विल वर्क.
Yes, sir, definitely. Thank you, sir.
व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? बेनिफिट हुआ बेटे इसको समझाने का? Revenue streams, revenue models, from where the money will come. Ultimately, we want to know that from where the money will come. If you think or if you say that money will come with more than one channels, write down all those channels. And then after, if your project is benefited and you need some money, then at what time you will be requiring fund? If I say that you where this slide I will be giving you. So this is at what time you will be requiring how much fund, right? 24 months plan you can make, or you can give a broad 24 months plan. This is the other expectations you are expecting from the investor, and this is the last lean canvas summary. Lean canvas summary is the summary of your entire pitch deck, right? This format I will be sharing with Rahul, and Rahul, or I will put in the group also, or you can also download it from my site, or it is available in LinkedIn and Facebook also. So if you have any questions, but you can ask me. And one more important part is this, that you need not to work on all these slides. Whatever is required for your particular business idea, that is accepted, and for you in between 7 to 10 slides will work fine with us. Okay, not necessarily that all the slides you will have to make for your business idea in your assignment number 5. Formally, I will also send you this assignment number 5, maybe day after. If you have any questions.
Lean canvas summary, we will put only the numbers, sir, like cost structure, revenue streams. So suppose I have 2 revenue streams or 3, I have to just put the number there, is it?
Right. See, yeah, this is only the summary. If you don't want to make this summary, then do it is fine, but you should know the meaning of this summary.
Oh, all right, sir. Thank you.
Okay, shall I close it now?
So actually, I had a doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, is it necessary for us to know our market size during the initial period only? Like if we are starting with some business idea and we are targeting only a particular audience, and further if we level up and go to stage 2, then we may expand our market size and customer base as well.
Okay, the point is only this, that how will you attract customers?
Okay.
I will suggest you to go through with the case of Byju. Byju shows that to the investors that only Byju will run, everything will be closed down. Board khatam ho jayenge, universities band ho jayenge, only Byju will work. This much big size they show. This is the market size.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So, but I am closing it. Okay, this slides format I will be sending, or you can also download it from the site. Okay, मैं ग्रुप में डाल दूंगा इसको. Right? Shall I close it, better now? If any doubt, bit, I will again be meeting you, and maybe whenever Rahul sir will give me permission. Okay, beta, thank you.